Cleanliness begins at home, but it does not end there. A clean society is built when every street, every alley, and every neighborhood is cared for not just by a system, but by the community itself. The Swachh Bharat mission reminded us of a powerful truth, that the responsibility of a clean India doesn't lie solely with the government. It belongs to every one of us, in our homes, localities, and public spaces. A clean home ensures health. A clean street brings pride. Together, they build a dignified life. But this cannot happen without collective action. Across India, residents' welfare associations, RWAs, Mohalla committees, and local groups have come together to take ownership of their surroundings. They organize cleanliness drives, monitor waste segregation, and hold awareness sessions for neighbors. In many places, Swachhata Samitis have formed, neighborhood cleanliness committees that act as watchdogs, helpers, and educators. In slums and informal settlements, volunteers lead the way in promoting toilet use, keeping lanes clean, and respecting shared resources. This segment also celebrates the unsung heroes of cleanliness, the sanitation workers. Men and women who, despite difficult conditions, work daily to keep our cities and towns clean. Their contribution is invaluable, and yet, too often invisible. It's time we shift our mindset, from shame to respect, from apathy to partnership. Cleanliness is a collaborative culture. And it grows only when every hand joins in. In some towns, communities have turned their waste into wealth, by setting up recycling units, community compost centers, or even biogas plants. Others have adopted no plastic zones, installed rainwater harvesting systems, and taken a pledge to beautify their surroundings. These efforts aren't grand gestures. They are everyday acts of responsibility, sweeping a common space, using a dustbin, avoiding litter, helping a neighbor clean, teaching a child to keep their surroundings neat. A clean India is not built by policy alone, it is built by people. When citizens come together, communities thrive. Streets shine. Minds awaken. And a nation moves forward with pride, purpose, and purity. One street at a time, one home at a time. Let's build a cleaner tomorrow together.